What's up, everybody? This is Roger Quartermash. I'm here with Ali Jan, Ali San, and this is our Game Engines 3 term project. We just built off the labs, so we used our same GitHub, as you can see here. And we got a WebGL build. It's a Pokemon RPG style game. You can see that the build runs. I'm just going to not play it so the music doesn't mess with the audio. And then I just want to show you the scene real quick. So we have one scene with 2 levels in it, kind of. So here is the first level, and the snow level is level number 2. So once we get to these gates, it will load level number 2. So I'll show you how that happens. So we use the do tween again, like we do in the battle system. So we set the player to can't move, and then we need the day and night light, and also the light 2D from the player, because we want to set those black so that you can't see the player like shooting across the screen, because the camera follows. So we have a rotation on the player for 1 second to 750 degrees on the Z-axis. And once that is complete, then we move across the screen for 0.6 seconds. And we get the position. It's just the vector 3 to the right. And we multiply it by 10 so that it just shoots off the screen. And then once that is complete, we get the player's light color, and then we need to go from that light color to black, and we do it in half a second. And we also get the day and night color, and we go from that color to black in 0.5 seconds so that you can't see anything. And then once those are done, we have the delay call after 1 second. We bring the light color back, so we go from the color, which is black, to the original color, and then the color on the player, which is black, to the original color here in half a second. And then we need to, this is for saving purposes, because if you die in the battle, it will take you to the original position on level 2, just so you don't have to play the whole entire game over again. And then it sets that sets the player's transform to that, and then we need to be able to move again. So let me just show you how it works. And then we'll get to the real fun stuff. So we have sound in here as well. I'm just going to turn it off. So you can see my player here, and if I walk over, you can see it spins and shoots across the screen and fades to black, and then brings you to level number 2. Then in level 2 we have a little boss fight. So we have this boss encounter here. So if you make it here, you will fight Mewtwo, and we have to set the bool to is boss encounter. I will show that off as well. So we just have this bool here, and we made it public so that we can set it, or at least get it in the battle system. So in the battle system, because it's a boss fight, we have different text. So if the current encounter area is not a boss encounter, it will say the normal, a wild, whatever appeared. And then if it is the boss battle, it will say, you know, I can't believe you made it this far, and prepare for the battle of your life. And then so this is in the player move. So if it is if the enemy is fainted and it's not a boss battle, it will say, you know, the enemy fainted. It'll play the sound, and it'll play the faint animation, and then the Pokemon will level up, and then it will unload the game scene and just bring you back to where you were in the overworld. And then if it is fainted and if it is a boss encounter, it will, faint the Pokemon just the same, and then it'll say you did it, and then it will load scene number 4. And then for this one here, it's just the same. I guess we could have done it a little different with the text box, but we just left it the same. So let's see how that goes. So again, I'm just going to bring my player over to the battle area. And we have to go up the steps. And here we are. I can't believe you made it this far. And we're going to fight Mewtwo. But we will die because Pikachu is level 5. One hit. Wow. So I'll just show you the end game scene because you won't really make it there on this first try. So it's just this, and then it has 2 buttons basically. Yeah, that's everything aside from the devlogs. I'm just gonna pass it over to Ali Jan, and he's gonna explain to you another feature of the pickups and inventory system. Thanks. See ya.
I will explain you our inventory system right now. This is our pickup item script, as you can see, and we attach this script on pickup items. So it basically, when you pick up the item, it destroys the item, also plays a pickup sound, and also gets the item name, the picked up item name to the console. Also, we have an inventory system here. We keep the inventory data in the txt file. We are using dictionary to keep all the items in our inventory. This is a add item function, which just helps to add item on the inventory, and it uses the item name, our pickup item name. Also, when we pick up the item, we update inventory UI. I will show you. Also, this is how we save the inventory in txt file, and we load this item list when we say continue game. Also, with this one, we also update our inventory UI as well. In update inventory UI, basically we use the item list we created, and we keep those items name and amount here, and we are using instantiate in the UI menu panel, inventory panel in the game. Also, this is a boolean. We just check amount of potion in the game if there is enough to use. Also, this is our use potion function, which just helps to use potion during the battle, and after using the potion we update inventory UI as well. Let's take a look in the game. Basically, when we start a new game with HP, we open the window and arrow keys. We are I forgot to show this. We have also menu manager here. with this manager, we handle the menu management in the UI. So if you press H key, you can toggle the menu. Also, in the menu, we are able to do many selections. Here, basically, we are using the text elements to choose. In the menu option, also we have open inventory function here, which is set active false the menu and opens the inventory panel. And we have open menu here. Also, we set disable the player controller when the menu or inventory is open. Uh, yes, also, when you are in the inventory, you can turn off the inventory menu and switch in the menu. So let's take a look. When we click inventory, there is inventory selected, but there is no item there. We picked up the item here, and when we click inventory, we are able to